All right, so the first one comes from Sam. He says, "How long does it take to implement the DHA with the SOPs?" So that's a great question. You can, as it depends on how much time you have, right? How aggressive are you going to be? How much time are you going to devote to it? Through the DHA coaching program, there's with where you get direct support from me. It's a 12-week program, but that's what, thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys jumping in with some comments. Let me know you guys are alive. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate that. Uh, so with the coaching program, it's 8 to 10 hours per week. So I say about 1.5 to 2 hours per day, Monday through Friday. That gives you your weekends off still, but you can certainly be more aggressive with it. If you have more time, more bandwidth to devote to it, you can get it done quicker. Most of the people that join the program are managing their own freelancing business or a small agency or whatever anyway. And so 8 to 10 hour time commitment is all that they can really devote most of the time. Some people that have joined have a lot more time and they can roll through the stuff a lot quicker. So it really depends on how much time you can devote. Again, my recommended and for people to now, this is the third group going through the phase one program. And so through the first two groups, we've refined it, right? And figured out what the better kind of cadence is or the timing of the task assignments and all that kind of stuff. And so it's really well developed now. It's packaged up quite well. It's a 12-week program. It's 3 weeks of task assignments and then a fourth week of catch up and support. Then 3 weeks of task assignments and a fourth week of catch up and support. And we do that. So there's a catch up week on week 4, week 8, and week 11. And so essentially, and then that's just basically, again, with 8 to 10 hours per week, excuse me, we haven't had anybody that has committed that to that amount of time, investing that amount of time that wasn't able to have the system completely built by the end of the 12 weeks. So it's entirely up to you as to how much bandwidth you have, but that's about the average. So if you would say 12 weeks, let's say, even if it was 10 hours a week, it's 120 hours. So how do you want to split that up? It's up to you, however you want to split that up. Okay.